write these numbers in correct places in the Venn diagram. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'll do is I'll go through each of them in turn and then determine whether they're factors of 9, 12, both or neither. So 1, of course, that's a factor of every number, isn't it? So 1 would go in both lists. What I'm going to do, before I put it into the Venn diagram, I'm just going to list here whether each of these values is a factor of 9 and 12. Okay, so 1 divides into 9 and it also divides into 12. 2, well 2 is not a factor of 9 because 9 is an odd number, so 2 won't go into 9, 2 is even, but 2 will go into 12, okay? Right, 2 will go into 12 because 12 is even. 3, okay, 3 goes into both, doesn't it? 3 is a factor of both 9 and 12, all right? 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 does not go into 9. 4 is not a factor of 9 because it leaves a remainder of 1. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, there's a remainder of 1. But 4 goes into 12 perfectly, doesn't it? 3 times. And then 5, well 5 doesn't go into 9, doesn't it? And it doesn't go into 12. So when we then fill in the Venn diagram, let's start off with 1. Notice now 1 is in both lists. So if 1 is in both lists, we put it where the circles overlap, okay, to show it's in both lists. So that's 1 dealt with. 2, now 2 is just a factor of 12, it's not a factor of 9, so we'll go here. Okay. 3 is in both lists, so we'll go in the center where the circles overlap. 4 is a factor of 12 alone. And then, so we dealt with 4, and 5 is a factor of neither of them. That means it needs to go outside of the circles, okay? Outside of the circles and nowhere else.